Yo, what's up YouTube? Holla at your boy. Back again with another video. And as you already see right here on the table, you already know what this video is about to be. So I'm gonna go ahead, get into this box, see how this thing is looking. We're about to go ahead and get into this. And on that note, let's go! Alright y'all, so as you can see right here, ooh, dang, this freaking thing is heavy. Ooh. But as you can see right here, we have the Nest Audio. This is the successor to the Google Home. Man, this is heavy. We're just going over the box. Not much information on the box so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and cut into this. And big shout out to the homie Migs, bruh. The man looked out, sent it my way. Hey, appreciate you. Yes sir, yes sir. Migs came through in the clutch. So now there is no more steak knives. Let's go ahead and get into this package here. Go ahead and get into this. So here you have it, the Nest Audio. Now this thing right here looked pretty sick when I first seen it when they was talking about it at their event. I have the Nest Mini right here. I got a Nest Hub behind me. I have a couple other Nest Minis over there. So I'm pretty much Googled out. Let's go ahead and get into this box. Bam! Up front and center, you have the speaker. Man, now this speaker right here, boy, this thing got some heft to it. Ooh, some serious heft to this thing right here. So we're gonna put this to the side right here and see what else is in the box. Y'all already know, traditional unboxing. And you have your Google literature, which nobody reads. I wish Google would put stickers in their boxes like they used to, but hey, it is what it is. I'll be wanting to troll people. And here we have the wall plug right here. So man, this Nest Audio right here, ooh, this thing is heavy. All right, so you got your G at the bottom here. A nice firm grip right here, so it ain't moving nowhere. That's pretty good, I like that. You have your G logo on the back. You also have where you're gonna plug in the cord. You have your mic up top, so you turn that on and off. That's pretty dope. Now this thing normally stands up. You have the touch features at the corner right here. Let's go ahead and power this on and set this up and everything. Okay, it says to play pause, it's up top. Okay, let's play pause in the middle. And then you can tap the corner to change the volume. The mute switch in the back here, which I showed you guys earlier. Now, we're gonna try and play some music and see how it sounds. We're gonna check out my homeboy Tanner So Lit. Also, if you guys are not following this man, what is wrong with you? This man is a producer in the industry. This man has made music for a bunch of people in the industry. Also, he has a website called Chosen Beat Club where you can go and purchase beats that he made for the low. And when I mean low, I mean as low as $2. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Make sure you check my man out, show him some love, cause he got some fire. I'm gonna go to one of my favorite beats by this man. We're gonna go ahead and check this out. So, this is a test, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and raise the volume up a little bit here. Hey, hey. That's not bad though. That's not bad though. That's not even all the way up. Ooh, so I can imagine if you get 2 of these things. My God, you get 2 of them, stereo sound. Oh my God. This one speaker right here sounds pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up.
Dan Tanner.
Yes, sir. Dan Tanner in the building. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and turn it. I'm gonna turn it up. Hey. 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 Ah. Hey. Man, I must admit, I'm no audiophile. I'm gonna go ahead and admit that to y'all right now. I'm not no audiophile. I just know if I hear something and I like it, it sounds good to me, plain and simple. This thing right here is pretty dope. Now, if you get 2 of them, oh man, you about to rock out. We're gonna try another song, one more last song. Okay, turn it up a little bit. Okay. I can hear the bass up in that thing. Okay. Hey, hey. Hey. Uh-huh. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Mm. 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 Okay. Ooh. Let's go ahead and turn this up. Well, that bass sound like it's sick. Hey. Hey. Mm. Mm. Hey. Hey. What do you guys think about the speaker, man? It sounds pretty good. Like I said earlier, I'm no audiophile, so go ahead, stop this. I'm no audiophile or anything like that, but I think the speaker sounds pretty good, and I think for $100, a good price for this speaker right here. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, as well as smash that notification bell. That way you are notified every time I release dope content. This has been Hollaturboy. I'm gonna go ahead and finish setting this thing up and, you know, play around with it and whatnot. So far, oof, this is pretty dope. Way better than this one now. This right here, I got a little special surprise. Stay tuned to the channel. I got a special surprise for this. I'm Hollaturboy. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up out of here. You guys stay safe out there. Mask up if you can. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Later.